Cats are fascinating creatures, masters of nonverbal communication. They have an incredible ability to convey their feelings and intentions without uttering a single word. They use a complex system of hisses, growls, and purrs to communicate with each other. Each sound carries a different meaning, from a warning to stay away to a contented purr of happiness. But when it comes to humans, cats have developed a unique vocalization, the meow. This sound is rarely used in cat-to-cat communication. This intriguing sound is almost exclusively directed at humans. It's their way of getting our attention, whether they want food, affection, or simply to be noticed. It's a testament to the special bond cats have formed with us over thousands of years of domestication. This bond is built on mutual understanding and communication. While cats use a variety of sounds to communicate with each other, meowing is primarily reserved for interactions with their human companions. This behavior is a clear indication of their adaptability. This suggests that meowing is a learned behavior, developed specifically for communicating with us. Cats have learned that humans are more responsive to vocal cues than to body language. This adaptation has allowed them to thrive in human environments. This adaptation highlights their intelligence and adaptability in forming strong bonds with their human caregivers. It's a beautiful example of how two different species can learn to understand and communicate with each other. In the wild, cats rarely meow to each other. Instead, they have developed a complex system of communication that relies heavily on nonverbal cues. They rely on scent, body language, and facial expressions to communicate. Each gesture, each movement, carries a specific meaning that other cats can easily interpret. A twitch of the tail, a flattened ear, or a hiss speaks volumes in the feline world. These subtle signals can convey a range of emotions and intentions, from curiosity to aggression. These forms of communication are efficient and effective for their natural environment. They help maintain social order and avoid unnecessary conflicts. They allow cats to convey messages of territory, dominance, and mating without unnecessary vocalization. Scent marking, for instance, is a powerful way to establish boundaries and signal reproductive status. Meowing, in the wild, is primarily reserved for kittens communicating with their mothers. These vocalizations are crucial for the survival of the young, ensuring they receive the care and attention they need. These plaintive cries signal hunger, cold, or distress. The mother cat responds promptly to these calls, providing warmth, food, and comfort. As cats mature, they generally outgrow this behavior, relying on other forms of communication with their peers. Adult cats use a sophisticated blend of body language and scent to interact with each other. The fact that domestic cats continue to meow into adulthood, directing this sound almost exclusively at humans, is a fascinating example of behavioral adaptation. It suggests that cats have learned to use meowing as a way to communicate with their human companions who may not be as adept at interpreting their nonverbal cues. The domestication of cats began thousands of years ago. Over time, cats learned that vocalizing to humans could be beneficial. A well-timed meow could elicit attention, food, or a warm lap to curl up on. Humans, in turn, found these meows endearing. We responded by providing for their needs, strengthening the bond between us. This positive reinforcement likely played a significant role in the development of meowing as a primary means of communication between cats and humans. As cats and humans co-evolved, the meow became more than just a plea for food. It transformed into a complex form of communication, expressing a range of emotions and needs. This development highlights the unique interspecies communication that has emerged through the domestication process. The Symphony of Meows, a guide for humans. Just like we have different tones of voice, cats have different types of meows. Each meow carries a unique meaning and can tell you a lot about what your cat is feeling or trying to communicate. A short, high-pitched meow might be a greeting, a way for your cat to say hello when you come home or enter a room, while a long, drawn-out meow could signal displeasure or a request for attention, indicating that something is not quite right. Learning to interpret your cat's meows is like learning a new language. It requires you to be attentive and responsive to their vocal cues. It takes time, patience, and careful observation. You need to watch and listen closely to understand the nuances of their communication. But the rewards are immense, leading to a deeper understanding and bond with your feline companion. This connection can enhance your relationship in ways you never imagined, leading to a deeper understanding and bond with your feline companion. You'll start to recognize their needs and emotions more intuitively. A chirping meow, for example, often indicates excitement or anticipation, especially when they spot something interesting like a bird or a toy. A low growl-like meow might be a warning, a sign that your cat is feeling threatened or uncomfortable, while a soft rumbling purr usually signifies contentment. This is your cat's way of showing they are relaxed and happy. By paying attention to the context of the meow, you can gather clues about what your cat is trying to tell you. Along with your cat's body language, such as their posture, tail movements, and facial expressions, you can begin to decipher their individual vocalizations. This understanding will help you respond more effectively to their needs and strengthen your bond. The Hungry Cat Concerto. One of the most common meows is the feed me meow. This insistent, often high-pitched sound is hard to ignore. Cats are masters of manipulation, and they know exactly which buttons to push to get their way. They may weave around your legs, brush against you affectionately, or even give you a gentle headbutt as they deliver their plea for sustenance. This combination of vocalization and body language is highly effective in eliciting a response from their human caregivers. It's important to note that while responding to your cat's meows is part of the joys of pet ownership, it's crucial to maintain a consistent feeding schedule. This helps prevent overfeeding and ensures your cat's long-term health and well-being. Beyond the meow, a multifaceted language. While meowing is a prominent form of communication, it's essential to remember that cats are masters of nonverbal communication. Their body language, from the position of their ears to the swish of their tail, speaks volumes. A cat's pupils dilate when they are feeling playful or excited. A slow blink is a sign of trust and affection, often referred to as a kitty kiss. Understanding these subtle cues enriches the bond between cat and human. By paying attention to both their vocalizations and body language, we can gain a deeper understanding of our feline companions. This allows us to respond to their needs more effectively and build stronger, more fulfilling relationships. Section 7. Strengthening the bond, understanding your feline friend. Cats may not speak our language, but their meows are a testament to their desire to communicate with us. By learning to interpret their vocalizations and understanding their body language, we can bridge the communication gap between our two species. This deeper understanding fosters empathy, patience, and a stronger bond with our feline friends. It transforms us from mere caretakers into true companions, sharing a unique and rewarding interspecies connection. So the next time your cat meows, take a moment to listen. Pay attention to the tone, the context, and their body language. You might be surprised at what you can learn from your cat's unique and endearing way of communicating.